So you're tired of the big banks? Tired of watching your savings account interest rates hover somewhere around the inflation rate, basically making you lose money? Let's face it, traditional banks haven't exactly been keeping up with the times. They often charge hidden fees, have inconvenient in-person branches, and offer online banking experiences stuck in the early 2000s. That's where online banks like EQ Bank come in. These digital-first institutions are shaking things up by offering competitive interest rates, user-friendly mobile apps, and a focus on making your money work for you. But with so many options out there, is EQ Bank the right fit for you? And more importantly, where exactly does it rank amongst other Canadian financial institutions? Let's dive deep and find out. First, a quick explainer. EQ Bank isn't actually a brand new startup. It's actually the digital banking arm of Equitable Bank, a well-established and reputable Schedule I bank in Canada. That means your deposits with EQ Bank are protected by the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC, up to a whopping $100,000 per qualified deposit, the same level of protection you'd get with any big bank. Alright, back to the ranking question. While EQ Bank doesn't have a traditional physical branch network, it shines in the digital realm. Their mobile app is consistently rated highly for its user-friendliness and functionality. Opening an account takes minutes, and you can easily manage your money, transfer funds, and deposit checks all from the comfort of your couch. But the real star of the show is their Savings Plus account. EQ Bank consistently offers some of the highest interest rates on savings accounts in Canada. These rates are typically several times higher than what you'll find at the big banks. This means your hard-earned cash can actually grow at a decent pace, helping you reach your financial goals faster. Here's the catch, with great rates often come limitations. EQ Bank keeps its costs low by focusing on a purely digital experience. So, if you need frequent access to cash or require teller services, EQ Bank might not be the best fit. Additionally, their product offerings are currently limited to savings accounts, GICs, guaranteed investment certificates, and joint accounts. So, where does this all place EQ Bank in the Canadian banking landscape? Here's the thing, there's no single best bank. It really depends on your individual needs and financial goals. If you prioritize high interest rates, a user-friendly mobile app, and a focus on growing your savings, then EQ Bank is definitely a top contender. However, if you value the security of a physical branch network, a wider range of financial products, or require frequent cash withdrawals, then a traditional bank might be a better option. The good news? You don't have to choose just one. Many Canadians leverage both traditional and online banks to their advantage. You can keep your everyday checking account at a big bank with a branch network, while using EQ Bank to maximize the interest earned on your savings. Ultimately, the best way to find the right bank for you is to do your research, compare interest rates, and consider the features that are most important to you. EQ Bank might not be at the very top of every single ranking list, but it consistently ranks highly for its high-interest savings accounts and user-friendly digital platform. So, is EQ Bank right for you? Well, that depends on your priorities. But one thing's for sure, it's definitely a strong contender in the world of Canadian online banking, offering a compelling alternative to the traditional bank model. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.